Driver tourist na Assam at Meghalaya man taga sing kila pulang ya kerja kanu ulang hapo Green Hills nang po nakam ta banyak kan halo ka jingja kabla ja ka atmi tarik noitung ajar saw naka dawa ka kunhun sang HNF kila Khang ki kali ki bon la Assam bandai cepo sarabat ki pat ki benda joka jelah po tengar hakati ki jingja om tengar kalau nak karam-karam ka bapu na pergi driver joka Meghalaya bat kumjur joka Assam ki jak po nak kamai kali ya ke ket ikinang leit na wana ni kinang joka kai Pyrthei hanya kerja kendu ulang ki driver na Meghalaya bat Assam mata kasi ka don kerja tai ka jora pereng ki para driver nak kati kerja jah om tengar khani kerja hakabakan ni kerja jak rakta ya ka song san kantam ya pereng ki para nang nya kali ki jumlah market ikinang jok kai Pyrthei pereng ki artli ki jela kebakar pau de kinilam yang kini kaseng ki driver ja taksi ke bukan tup yo Rabin Data presiden ke Kaita Gauti Tourist Taxi Association Pyrthei Bajar bat presiden ke New Trap Tourist Taxi Asian bat tirang nangbat kirang bakarai ke bakira syem hakan ni kerja kenu ulang kalong pene ya kerja dai palarai ru banyak tilang khamtam habomi ki jinja ki bakom kini kira pun syairu baka jinja po tengah kamdi setia ke bale de driver baka dai ke bale de kenu seng bat kemdon jingtip ai hakabdi baka ni ke jinja om tengah susu ketika ni lam kira petip ru bakarai ke bahmat lembaga ni kerja kenu ulang kalong man pene pensa kerja song san baka kerja tilang apreng ki driver jong ki kali tourist jong ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam susu kan ni ka jelang kala pen paur ya ka jing nak jeng buan parat ki kali riu simat ani ki private car ki baket ikinang lek engwan baklarai ban sim khya ba man Khang ya kan libat pentip ru chabro artli ki sarkar Meghalaya bat keburu ka Assam
लेकिन बात इतना है कि हम लोग को मिल रहा है वो लोग को नहीं मिल रहा क्यों नहीं हो आप लोग चुनाव से कौन मुझे बताइए मिल क्यों नहीं रहा है आप लोग बता सकते हैं और एक बात है हम लोग आसाम से हम लोग का जैसे हम आसाम से
representing the taxi operators of Meghalaya and from Assam side. And we have decided and we want to make it clear to the people and the tourists visiting this state that there is no such any imposition by the government restricting vehicles coming from Assam or tourists coming from Assam. This has been created by some unwanted element, but it is not a government decision. So we have cleared ourselves, we have cleared all doubts, and because some elements are taking advantage of this thing, because they give some flare-up statements in their social media, which actually escalates the tension for our taxi operators as well as tourists. So we want to diffuse the tension. And that is why we have sat together and we have jointly decided to give an appeal to all tourists. They are free to visit. There is no such any government ban or any restriction by anybody. Okay? And other decisions are also there. We have sought some, because our taxi operators, we are facing some problems, competition from private vehicles operating as taxis. So we have also taken a joint decision that will restrict the flying of illegal taxis, which are private vehicles. These are the main decisions. First appeal to all persons, these travel agents and all these things, booking agents, they are illegally operating private vehicles as on hire basis. And that is actually destroying our business also, because we are paying high rate of taxes, maximum taxation. And they are not paying taxes like us. So there's a discrimination, so they cannot fly. That is illegal. We are not talking about private vehicles. Private vehicles are free to come. Somebody is coming on weekend. They can visit Cherrapunji, any Dauki also. As family, they can come. But we are talking about those private vehicles illegally operating as taxis, that category. So it should be clear, because this may go as a thing, misinterpreted, any private vehicle, somebody will see and they'll stop it. We are not talking about private vehicles. That private category of vehicles flying on higher basis.
So it's any action from the association from us?
Take those things, and because mostly our drivers are flying those private vehicles, we'll try to detect and we'll give the list to government. We'll not take the law into our hand. We'll not take. And we appeal to a Meghalaya counterpart, so they'll not take the law, they'll give the list to the government and we'll pressurize the government to take action. Yeah. Message is that people are free to come to Meghalaya, as well as we welcome tourists to come to Assam. So it should go like that, because tourism is booming up, it's a very thriving industry, and we should preserve it at any cost. We don't want any element to destroy this good industry, tourism, which is giving employment to so many people, not only taxi operators, lot of employment, starting from hotel, restaurant, homestay, yeah, everywhere,
Ni kung driver ngiyo kamay kecil ng ba jingwan pun terus. Oh ngim kwa ru ba na pedeng jongi ki bagi terus kindon haka safety ke baning kong. Bat kunju ki driver jongi ru abak ile cha Assam ki wan cholong ru kindon hak pedeng ke jingshan. Kalik kawan kunju ki passenger ru. Tangatahi ko ga masih pangai kwa nang iru ba ki kwa ya ka jingsuk chua sa kamay wat hadir.